Furious at the discriminative policies of the Pakistan government that had exploited the region for several decades, the people of Gilgit-Baltistan in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir (POK) are now demanding a reunion with India. In a video that has gone viral on several social media platforms, a huge rally in Gilgit-Baltistan can be seen demanding the reopening of the Kargil road and reunion with their fellow Baltis in the Kargil district of the Union Territory of Ladakh in India. Meanwhile, slamming the Pakistan administration for its policies against Gilgit-Baltistan, former POK PM Raja Farooq Haider urged an end to the land grabbing by the security forces in the Himalayan region. These protests over concerns raised by the Baltistan residents have been intensifying with each passing day, adding that Pakistan's military establishment continues to exert coercive claims over the land and resources of the area. Before this, local traders and members of various political and social organizations observed a shutters down strike in different parts of Gilgit-Baltistan, with markets closed and vehicles off the roads. Most of these demonstrations were held in Skardul, Gilgit, Hunja and Giza. Pakistan has been openly misusing the Khalsa Sarkar laws for land grabbing in Gilgit-Baltistan, adding that the law states that the federal government could claim ownership of the barren or uncultivated land in Gilgit-Baltistan even if it was collectively owned by the local community. According to a fact-finding report by Human Rights Commission of Pakistan last year, the Khalsa Sarkar system violated international human rights standards. For years, the local people have been asking for political representation as they do not have a parliamentary representative in the Pakistani parliament. Their lack of voice was further muffled after Pakistan launched the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor (CPEC), under which their lands have been arbitrarily taken away for the massive infrastructure and connectivity project. Local residents are not represented in the federal government's decision-making organizations and have no say in regional development initiatives under the CPEC. People in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir's POK, Gilgit-Baltistan region have been holding widespread protests over the violation of their fundamental rights by Islamabad. Local political parties are supporting the protests over land rights, imposition of taxes, change in demographics, and a severe power crisis.